In this video we're going to look at the journal process in REI Master. We're going to use the example of reimbursing a let fee to an owner. To process a journal, go to the process drop down list at the top of the screen here and select journal. The journal is used to move monies between ledgers. Our first and most important thing of course is select the correct date. The journal number, as you can see, will be auto assigned as part of this process here. And what we're going to do now here under journal narration is insert why we are performing this particular step. So what we're going to do is reimburse let fee to owner, and we'll just say Mr. Star here. So what we do now is we've got to fill in two lines of our journals. The first thing is to select the ledger type, i.e. we're going to take money from someone to give to someone else. So in our case here, by reimbursing a let fee, we're going to take money off the business. And our reference there, if I use the tab key on my keyboard and tab across, there's only one business ledger in the program, so it auto-filled that for me. If I tab again to the description field there, click into there, and I can now type in a description. In fact, the same description that I've got up the top here is going to be very handy. So I'm going to highlight, and I'm going to copy that, and I'm then going to paste that into the field there. I then need to select the appropriate account code for my journal, and I do have one in here for letting fees, of course. Let there, and again, if I use the tab key and tab across, letting fees have a GST component to it, and because that account code is set up in that way, it automatically fills in the tick for the box here. So these next two columns are the important ones. I'm taking money off the business to give to an owner. So I'm debiting from the business. I insert my amount in here, put in $165, and that amount of course does include our GST. Tab to the credit column and then tab again to the next line here. In this line, this is the person who I'm giving the money to or crediting to. So again, from our drop down list here, we select the ledger type and we're giving it to an owner, of course. Tab to the reference column here, and again now select the owner that we're giving it back to. As I mentioned up here, Mr. Star is the owner, so we select them here. Tab again, and in this case here I can highlight, and if I paste again, I'm reimbursing let fee. I can then just adjust this if I wish to do so, and maybe just adjust that there. Again, we move across to the account code and select the most appropriate one there, letting, tab again, and the tick is filled in for us. We are now going to fill in the credit column here for that amount. And in doing so and tabbing to the third line there now, we have two lines of our journal. One is a debit, taking money from the business. The other one is a credit, giving money to an owner. And our total debits and credits at the bottom right hand corner of the screen here match each other. From there we can click on the Save button. After saving that journal, we'll go and look at the business ledger. Into the account tab here, we can see there $165 being debited or deducted from the business ledger. If we have a look at the owner's ledger, under the account tab here, we can see now the credit of the $165 to Mr. Star. So in this video, we've looked at the journal process, which allows us to move monies between ledgers.